Hi all, welcome back to my channel DBA Talks with the Person, where databases are serious but you don't have to be. So today we are talking about the unsung heroes of SQL Server, the team of system database, the gang that wakes up every day and night and ensures that SQL Server doesn't crash, just like my diet on every Monday. So let's get started. So do you know that there are 6 system databases, but everyone says there are 4 or 5 system databases. Do you want to know about the 6th one? Just watch till the end of this video. So first is the master database, the OG database, the big boss of SQL Server. Master database contains all informations like system level information, endpoints, link servers, login details, database file location, and so on. So if master database gets corrupt, SQL Server won't even start. So do not try to play with master database, because if master database gets angry, you're definitely gonna cry. So always ensure take the backup of master database regularly. So second is the model database, the copy paste queen of SQL Server. Model database is a template. So whenever a new user database gets created, first it goes to the model database and check for the default settings like the default collision, default database option, file size, and then it inherits those settings. So model database is a template. So not ever mess with model database. If you mess with the model database, the all new database which gets created will inherit those mess. So always make a great use of model database. So third system database is MSDB, the overworked personal assistant of SQL Server. MSDB contains all information related to backup, restore, builds, database maintenance plan, SSIS package, alerts, and so on. So if your backup fails at 3 am, just check with MSDB. Want to know when your database was last restored? Just ask MSDB. So respect MSDB, take backup of MSDB, or else one day you will lose all information related to your history. So fourth system database is TempDB database. It's like a SQL unpaid intern who works 24/7 and never complains, and also gets reset whenever there is a SQL Server restart. So TempDB handles creating all the temporary tables, joins, sorting, versioning, row overflow, etc. So all the data work TempDB handles and never complain. But when TempDB starts getting full, then your SQL Server will freezes like Windows 98. So take good care of TempDB and always make it happy by giving it ample of space, creating good indexes, and don't ignore auto growth. So fifth system database is the resource database. It is like the SQL Server's secret agent. You cannot see it in sys.databases, but its physical files are present on the server. So resource database holds the system object related information. It also helps in preparing SQL Server to a new version or applying CUs or service pack. So never mess with resource database files. It is silent but essential. So the sixth system database which I was saying is the distribution database. Whenever you create replication, a distribution database gets automatically created. So it helps a flowing of data from publisher to subscriber, logs and track changes with respect to replication. So I hope you have learned something new about the system databases. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up, do comment and subscribe my channel.